At this stage we're gonna do a face. Let's cut maybe 10 centimeters of pink yarn. And nose we're gonna do, so this is the first row, and 1 by 3, 4, 5, and this is first row, and in the middle of first row we're gonna do the nose. The nose actually gonna be just like going through the same place multiple times. Actually, sorry. Let me start again. So, yeah. We're gonna start from inside, just to hide the yarn. Leave a tail and hold it, and making a couple stitches. Two, 3, 5, and we're finishing inside. That is, and making knots. You can see here that the yarn is made, and now this thread could go inside. Because I'm lack of like black yarn, I'm gonna grab a thread which quite teeny tiny and put it in 3 or 5 times or something like this. So actually I need maybe a meter or even longer. So, and just making it on half multiple times. So what I'm doing, taking 2 ends together and getting on half. This is the half, holding them together, and maybe one more half. That's it. Here, and just twisted it to make something like not like yarn, but yeah, it's more not so teeny tiny, and the size actually less than 10 centimeters. I put it inside of my needle for crocheting, not normal needle, because it probably would be too big for normal needle, even we made it of thread. So here we're gonna do a face right now, eyes, whiskers and nose. Let's start with mouth, which would be right underneath, so I'm actually starting from inside because we will finish there, and I hold in the end again. Then slightly it should be triangle like this. So, and returning in this place. So 1 and on another side, which will be somewhere here. So from here to there. Then I'm gonna do eyes. That's why I'm gonna put my needle out somewhere there. So, and the eyes I'm gonna do it this way, just ends to Anhelinasv one, which should be started somewhere here. Let's say this way, and then going out here. And then let's make this. Oh. This is the face, and there are whiskers left, but for whiskers I'm gonna do slightly smaller, like maybe not in 8 times, but smaller thread. And actually I still should do the knots. To make whiskers smaller, I just put thread 4 times, like on half. So yeah, that is. We're gonna do again, starting somewhere maybe here, holding the end, making small whiskers like this on another side. And then down, so that is. And from this side I'm gonna go to the whiskers here. And 3, and then hiding the yarn inside. In this stage we're ready to cut the yarn. Maybe leave 8, 7, 10 centimeters for this to be finished. So taking yarn out to make a knot, and at this stage we're grabbing it on our needle. So voila. And inside we're gonna put polyester, I guess, not sure. So you can use like fingers if the hole is enough, if not just use the sharp scissors to put polyester inside. So put as much as you want, whatever softness you want to achieve. I'm gonna put a little bit more just to make it softer. Maybe even more. And at this stage we're gonna sew both of these ends together. Presumably we have 12 in a round, and we're gonna sew them in this way, just putting them on half like this, and just grabbing one here, one there. One here, here, one there, one here, one there, and two more. And then